Hey, my name's Elisa Forsyth. I work with WeatherGuard Roofing. The roof repair process after a storm can sometimes be pretty intimidating for homeowners, so I just want to do a breakdown of those steps. First, a contractor certified by the manufacturer will do an initial inspection just to assess the damage that's occurred. Next, if there is damage, the claim will be set up with the insurance company. Then an adjuster and the contractor will meet at the property again, and they will do an assessment together. It's really important that they do that assessment together just to ensure that all of the damage is identified. Next, once the claim is approved, the contractor will meet you to go over the options. They're going to assist you with choosing the right type of materials for the job. After that, the work should be scheduled, and it will be scheduled in stages. So the roof replacement will be the first project that's completed. After that, will follow all other work like gutters, maybe siding. Next, the contractor will submit all the completion paperwork to the insurance company, and this will certify that the work is completed. And finally, once the insurance does verify that that work is completed, they will send the homeowner the final check, which then the homeowner will use to pay the contractor. Continue to visit GAF.com for more answers to roof-related questions.